And we are back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we turn outdoor landscape dreams into reality. And on this landscape, we solved this customer's erosion problem by being able to give them an additional 750 outdoor living space. That's right, 750 square feet we provided for this customer. And as you can see, it just finished raining on this landscape, but before, when it rained, this entire area was completely dilapidated. It had a tremendous amount of erosion, moss, and mud. And so what we did is we came up with a design that allowed for me to be able to give this customer an additional 8 to 10 feet outward, while also being able to build this custom retaining wall that allowed for me to be able to give them a solution to their drainage problem, while also even being able to encompass a custom seat wall that they're going to be able to sit down on and enjoy with friends, family, and guests. And so these are just some of the ways in which we're solving landscape drainage problems right here at Brooks Landscaping. And it does say that if you're in the Paulding County area, that's where we're at right now, and that's where we're located, and you have a landscape drainage problem, you're looking to enhance your outdoor living space, or you just want to provide yourself with that peace of mind and knowing that you can come out on your back porch and just enjoy it, it definitely says you want to make sure that you give the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping a call. We've been focused on giving our customers a landscape drainage solution that lasts a lifetime for over a decade now. We have years and years of experience not only solving drainage problems, but being able to stand behind them and get them right the first time. And that's what's make us so successful over the years. So I wanted to make sure that I brought you this beautiful landscape design that allowed for us to be able to give this customer a amazing landscape transformation and a custom retaining wall installation that they can truly be proud of. And it does say that this is one of the reasons why we become so effective at what we do right here at Brooks Landscaping, because we're truly giving our customers more than that of what they could have ever expected in the most exceptional way, and it's being done like never before. So as you can see within this landscape design, we truly did enhance this customer's outdoor living space, but we most importantly did so in a way that's going to ensure that they never have to worry about dealing with this area again. That's what we do at Brooks Landscaping, guys. We come up with solutions that last a lifetime, and it's different from that of another landscaping company, because we're not just going to come in and do exactly what you ask us to. We're going to do more than that of what you asked us to. And so on this landscape, the customer had no idea we were going to tie another gutter downspout for them. They didn't have any idea that we were going to be able to provide them with this dry creek bed design just based on the additional rock that we had left from another job. And it says that anytime you work with the professionals at Brooks Landscaping, guys, you got to know there's an opportunity for you to get even more than that of what's expected, just based on our philosophy of always giving more than that of what's expected. More quality, more quantity of service right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.